So this is the iCare Pet Smart Digital Scale. You can use it for small animals or kittens, small, puppies and kittens, not full-grown cats. So it comes like this. There's your manual. There was a battery, some batteries come in it. There was a little strip there to remove. I already removed that. So it's all good to go. And the way this works is these just slide right onto the scale itself. Let's see here. There we go. Nope. Almost. Maybe I got it wrong here. There we go. Okay. So that just slides right on there. And then you're good to go. So turn it on. We have several different units here. So there is, let me try to rearrange this a little bit so it's easier to see. Okay, that's better. So we have ounces, and it comes in triple digits. I've never seen that before on a scale. Usually you get one digit behind the decimal, and sometimes two, but here you get 3, which is nice. So you also get milliliters. What does that say? Milk. Okay, you get pounds and ounces, grams, kilograms, and there's ounces again. So of course the way this works, I'm sure everybody understands, but if you need to zero out the scale, like say there's something else in here besides the kitten to keep its attention, you would just hit tear to zero it out. Oops. So that zeroes it out with whatever you, that zeroes it out if you have to have something else on there. So we'll zero it out again. Oops. There we go. And then you put your kitten in there, and you're good to go. So open to turn it off. That's it. So the top of this is a really heavy duty plastic tray. It is not, I mean, really heavy duty. It's not flimsy at all. And this is a glass top scale. This is a sheet of glass. So it seems like excellent quality. It's super sturdy. Seems like it's going to last forever. So really good scale. I work in cat rescue, TNR specifically, so this will come in really handy. I hope that helps.
Pet scale. It's easy to set up. Just hook the tray onto the outer portion of this unit here, and then pull the item out of the plastic tab out of the battery. It has 5 different units. We have ounces, milliliters, pounds, grams, kilograms, and then has a volume thing here, or is it milk volume, basically a volume. If I'm going to put it on pounds, I could just use this, or let's say I want this in ounces, it's 18.551 because I had already eaten some of this. If I want, there is a tear feature, so I can actually put something in here, take this, zero it out, and then put this in here, and 8.554. Okay. So I do like this unit. I do, when I put a cat in it or a small, a small animal, it does shift, like you'll see with the units, and the measurement will move around. And I think that's typical of units like this, because whatever's on the scale is not staying still, so do expect that. But overall, I like it.